Everyone, I know a lot of you are thinking about starting a small business, maybe doing some code coaching or reviewing code for people, or maybe you want to do some kind of consultancy, software development consultancy, or cybersecurity consultancy. Or actually, I've been seeing some people that want to do some kind of DevOps or cloud cost optimization consultancy. There's a bunch of small businesses that you can start, but no matter which type of business you want to start, you will need a website. People need to be able to find you, need to understand what you're offering. They want to see probably some work that you've done before, maybe some testimonials or reviews. So in this video, I want to show you how I would start a software development consultancy. I would actually start by building my own digital presence, which means not only a website, by the way, it also means some creatives like a logo, like a brand. And you will also need to do marketing. So you will need to have maybe a blog, or you will have to social media posts. So there's a lot to it. Now, previously, if you were going to do that, that's a lot of work. And maybe you're already intimidated and thinking, oh no, this is going to take so much time and effort. And actually no, because in this video, I'm going to use GoDaddy, including their Airo feature here, which is basically their AI solution for this entire flow, actually, the entire experience of creating that digital presence. So they are also today's sponsor. I had a great time working with them so far. It's so much easier with GoDaddy now. And I've tried my fair share of these AI website builders, and I have to say, I really believe that GoDaddy has nailed that form factor for designing and building a site as well. So let's go through it and see how all of this works. If you already want to check them out, you can find a link in the description, by the way, but let's actually go through it and I'll show you how this works. All right, so where do we start? Well, we start with a domain typically, and this is also how GoDaddy became quite famous actually for their domains, but there are much more these days, as I'll show you in the video. But if you go to GoDaddy's website, you will find some option here for GoDaddy Airo or domains. And this is typically where the journey starts, right? So we have to come up with a good domain name for our website. So if I want to build a software consultancy business, I would probably type something like software consultancy, code coaching, perhaps software coaching. Basically, you can just describe what your business is going to do, and GoDaddy Airo will help you out here. So let's actually go with this. All right, so here after a couple seconds, it comes up with a bunch of suggestions here. So actually some really, I would say even premium ones, right? It's not an actual premium domain, but it sounds like, you know, it looks like one. If you do happen to be from the UK, that may actually be a great domain name. Let's actually say I do want to have a .com. So let's see. So here, consultancy, actually kind of nice plain words, but you can also just describe it in more natural language, like a consultancy, right? So just typing what you're actually doing. Okay, so here we get a bunch of options here. Refactor Club, Dev Improve. Sounds pretty good. So let's actually pick one of these. I will go with Dev Improve and I will continue here. All right, now when you pick a domain with GoDaddy, you will see a couple of options here when you go through the checkout flow. So you get free domain privacy here, which is included with the domain. They do recommend to add full domain protection for $1 a month. Okay, I will go with that. Now with GoDaddy Airo, you will also get a coming soon site basically right after you buy the domain. So we're gonna build out our website. This may take, this may take a little bit more time, but in the meantime, we can already show that there's something coming, that there's already something going on at that domain. So that's really nice. And that will be automatically generated for you with GoDaddy Airo. We're gonna need email, of course. Email is one of the most important ways that we can reach our potential clients. We wanna have professional looking domain. So we wanna have our name at, and then the name of our after the at. So I'll actually just go with the email essentials. Okay, I will continue to cart here. All right, so I'm about to purchase the domain. You can buy the domain by itself like that, or they also give an option here for managed WordPress hosting. GoDaddy actually has really powerful WordPress hosting, which I'm actually going to use in this video as well. So in this case, yes, I would actually like to combine it. So I will actually add that. So we have the domain as well as the WordPress host. Okay, so this is just an example, of course, right? So if you go to GoDaddy's website and you click on hosting for WordPress, you can read all about it. You can see the plans and pricing they have. So if you want to have a slightly different configuration, you can also do that. For this example here, I will just continue with a setup like this. All right, and after checkout, we can continue here, and they will actually help you a lot with setting things up. So they actually have a setup here ready to go for me, but they will also give you the most recommended actions as you go through the dashboard. But let's actually start with a new WordPress site here. So this is going to be for ourselves. And here we're actually going to use the Airo Site Designer. So this is their new offering. It's much easier. We can use AI to build out our website. So we're going to go with that. We are in the Site Designer. This is actually a great offering. We can just chat basically with AI, and AI is going to help us build out this website so much easier. So basically, we just have to describe what we do, what our business does, and just basically hand over the task here to Airo. So what is my business? Well, I'm starting a software consultancy business. What does that actually do? Well, my clients would be software companies that want to improve, or somebody that just reviews their code. Basically, they want to have a senior developer overseeing their activities, right? Something like that. And let's see what we get. Okay, so I'm gonna hand it off to Airo here. Let's see what it can do. All right, so then we continue here. It's going to build out this summary of the site. We can actually preview the site by clicking on this. It will load it right here. If you click on preview, you can actually see the site here immediately. So you can see it has flashed out a home page for us already. Okay, so now it's just a matter of making some tweaks to the design, maybe uploading our own photos, improving the copy a bit. But this looks great already for a first initial start here. So let's go back to site summary here. All right, so you can see the desktop preview and mobile preview here as well. Let's actually click on continue here. So it's going to be an actual WordPress website here. So let's pick a WordPress username. I'm just going to go with ByteGrad here. I will create my site, and they're actually going to spin up a WordPress site here. Maybe you've already been into vibe coding, as they call it, basically building out apps or websites, but it's actually really exciting that this is now also possible for WordPress specifically, because previously, if you were coding with AI, you were building a website with AI, it would be a completely custom website. But of course, WordPress has a lot of power, right? So this has CMS. We can easily add our content there. If you're building out websites for clients, they may already be familiar with WordPress. So in many cases, we actually want to stick with WordPress, but we still want to have that power of AI. So it's really nice that GoDaddy is stepping into that space here with the Airo site designer. So let's actually wait a few minutes here. All right, and then it's finished, and I'm automatically redirected here to the familiar WordPress dashboard here. But let's actually check out our website. We can go to view site here, and here we go. Here we have our website. Now this is still on a different domain than we bought, so that's okay, because initially we just quickly want to try some things out and get it ready before we actually launch for real. So they actually do give you a nice guide here, so we can still add some other details, change the logo, add some pages, change the styling, add a custom domain that we just bought, and also very importantly optimize. So let's actually go through these. So I will quickly add some site info here. Okay, boom. Second step is to upload a logo. So I can see these steps inside the WordPress website here, but if you go to the GoDaddy dashboard, you can also see these steps in here, right? So here inside GoDaddy, I also have my settings, not just for the website, also for email and marketing. And as you navigate throughout the GoDaddy dashboard, they will continuously surface what they believe is the best action for you to take at the top. So it's actually very easy to keep improving your setup. So let's actually continue here. So about the logo, we can also generate that logo with Airo actually. So it's part of Airo Plus in this case. But this is another example where previously you had to fiddle around with a bunch of tools to create a half decent logo. Well, now with AI, this is also much easier. So let's actually go ahead and do this. All right, so here in the dashboard now, we can generate the logo with Airo. Okay, so we just have to describe our business. I help software companies improve their code, right? I'm just gonna call it consultancy, and let's see what it can do, right? You can see it's already detected the type of shapes to use. All right, so here we go. So it comes up with some foundation options essentially. So I like these. Let's actually go with this because I do most of my work on a laptop. It is indeed about code. So let's actually continue with that. Okay, so that's basically the foundation. It will then refine it. We can add text to our logo. So here I could maybe have an abbreviation for my business, or maybe the entire thing. Dev improve in this case. So then it's going to add that text reviewing icon. All right, here we go. So here we have a pretty nice logo in literally a few minutes. It actually gives you a bunch of options here. I actually like the bold one here. I will go with this one. Yes, I could spend a few hours building out the logo myself, but I don't really want to do that. I want to focus on my business. I want to get clients. So I just want to get going. So it's nice that I can quickly generate it here. So I can just pick the logo itself, or we can go with Airo Plus, with the actual Airo Plus subscription here. Now, what's included in that? It's not only the logo, images are also part of this. So you can imagine a website needs all of these images. We can generate them with Airo Plus. We also get the Airo Plus site optimizer in that case. This is really important because we want to have our website be discoverable by Google, the search engines. But this is actually changing. A lot of people actually find websites now through ChatGPT and other AI chat applications. So we want to make sure that our website is easy easily discoverable, but also easy to understand. So there's a bunch of optimizations we can make. So I want to squeeze out as much as we can with that. So I would be interested in this as well. We'll talk a little bit more about it in a second. Okay, we also get a compliance assistant. All right, so I went through the checkout here and we're gonna get our logo here. Here we go. Here we have our logo. I'm gonna download the logo kit. So you get the logo in all of these different versions, right? So this is also another thing. If you're gonna do it yourself, you have to create all these different files. You get the entire pack here with the original one, but also transparent, black and white, in a square, transparent and black and white. So all these variations that you wanna use, you get all of that here. So we will go back to our option here, upload our logo. We're just gonna continue here. So we will select files and we will pick our original logo. Okay, I like that. I will select it. And that's another check mark here. So now let's actually add our domain here. So we can actually use our domain that we bought. Now I already bought some other domains here with GoDaddy as well. So you'll get a list here of which one you want to connect. I will go with dev improve here, of course. Okay, so it's just going to verify the details. All right, so now I have connected my custom domain. If I now go there, I can see my website. Now it may take a few minutes for all of the DNS stuff to propagate. So you may have to wait a few minutes before you can actually see it. And right now it's still in coming soon mode. Okay, so we will launch it a bit later as well. Okay, so that's another check mark. Let's take a look here, websites. All right, so let's see what else we can do. So we could add new pages. However, I actually already like what we have. And the style I think also looks already good from Airo site designer. So I don't necessarily need to change this right now. But if you do want that and you still want to keep, maybe you're already used to designing here from within WordPress, for example, and you can still try to do things from the WordPress dashboard itself here as well. All right, so at some point we have added the content and the pages, and now we can launch the site. So let's go ahead and do that. We are ready to launch. Yes, go ahead. All right, so now our website is actually live, and let's click on a view site here. All right, so it looks great. The Airo site designer actually spun up a really nice website. Of course, there's things we can fine tune, but previously would have taken much more time and energy. So this is really nice. Now we are not completely finished yet. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and further optimize the site here with Airo site optimizer. So let's actually go there now. All right, so then we get to improving SEO. Now, if you click on this, we will actually see something with Yoast SEO, but we also have the site optimizer option right here in the dashboard. So let's actually go there, because here we can use AI again to make it super easy. So here, if you've added a bunch of content to your website and maybe even multiple pages, you definitely want to try optimizing it as much as possible. It's not only about ranking on Google these days, it's also about, well, being mentioned by ChatGPT and such, right? So your clients, your customers, they're going to be inside ChatGPT a lot these days. I personally use Google much less than before. I'm in ChatGPT all the time. So if I'm in ChatGPT and I want to improve my code, maybe I want to hire a consultant, let's say, ChatGPT could suggest a few consultants that it found. Of course, if I'm offering those services, I want to show up in that list, right? So I need to make sure that my website can be found and ingested properly by all of those AI chat applications. The good news is that a lot of those recommendations for SEO, they remain the same. So we just need to make sure that we follow those traditional best practices here. So what is my industry? Well, software development consultancy. Software, let's say IT consulting. What is my goal with this website? Well, I could add bookings, for example. I actually have another video with GoDaddy in which I built out a complete website, including bookings. And I'll show you some of the other things in the dashboard as well. So definitely check out my previous video with GoDaddy. But let's say here we just want to have lead generation, perhaps. Okay, so we just want to have some potential clients finding us and maybe reaching out to us. And you can do this per page, by the way. And by the way, if you still see the coming soon page here, you may actually first want to launch your site. Okay, so in case you see the wrong preview here, just launch the site first. All right, so here it comes up with some keywords. So indeed, software consulting services. Yeah, technically, maybe I could add these ones as well. So that looks good to me. Are there any other keywords? Well, I like code audit is actually a really good one. The primary should be this one though. That's good. So keywords make total sense. I can add more if I want, but let's just go ahead and leave it at that. So it's gonna generate some optimizations. Let's see what it can do with that. All right, so here we see a more complete overview of some of the optimizations that we can do. Yeah, so I have a current title of very generic home dev improve, right? So this is actually a great suggestion. I just have to click one button, update for me, and it's updated. So that's just as easy as it's gonna get. Okay, so I literally just have to click a bunch of buttons here to improve the odds that my website will show up in very important place. Okay, so I right now meta description. So this is also something that can show up on a Google search page, for example. It suggests something here. So expert offers, yeah, so it sounds really good, and literally just a button click. So now we can go to content. This is a more comprehensive set of options that we can pick. So it can take a look at how often we're using our keywords, for example. If we actually have a call to action, so for example, an actual button on our page with sign up or reach out to us, send us an email. If we're also internally linking to other pages, for example, and we get all of these suggestions. So you can go through all of these, and also with headlines. So it's going to make a bunch of suggestions here, really improve our content here so that we improve our odds as much as possible. Okay, so there's some accessibility features here as well, and also social sharing cards. So people may link to your website on social media, and then you can also get some improvements here. So really, really slick. We'll soon also have answer engine optimization. So GoDaddy is already thinking about this AI trend and how it's going to impact this, right? So if you use Google, for example, it will also show an AI snippet at the top. So it will already generate some answer for you, so you don't have to click through to a website. So GoDaddy is already coming out with features for this as well. So really nice to see. You're getting a cutting edge solution here. And this is so much easier than in the past. If you've ever done any kind of SEO audit yourself for your own website, this was so much work, but now this is much faster. All right, so now we have a good looking site online in literally a few minutes, from domain, designing it, optimizing it, and there's a bunch of other things we can do here in GoDaddy as well. So if I go to dashboard here, what I like about GoDaddy is the recommended actions to take at the top. So you can quickly see what you need to do. So we can see that we have managed WordPress here. We connected it to a custom domain. Now at this point, I could continue setting up email, for example. They have some other tips for me here as well. I could continue with generating custom images, for example, with Airo Plus, or actually start doing marketing, right? So now I have my digital presence. Now it's time to go out and find my customers, get them to my website. So I would say check out GoDaddy, including GoDaddy Airo. You can find a link in the description. This is as easy as it's going to get a really good looking digital presence in a few minutes. It's much easier than before, so go ahead and try it out. You can follow along with this video, just rewind and just follow it step by step. And then I wish you a lot of success with your journey. In any case, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I want to thank you for watching. Have a nice day.